Hello guys, Khalid here, and today we've got a bit of a special video with a Phoinikas gaming headset sold by Noora brand on Amazon. I'll leave links to this in the description, and let's get into it. So on first impressions, we have a gold-plated 3.5mm 4-pin plug and a headset jack and USB port. It's compatible with laptop, PC, mobile and tablet. And we've got this in black and blue, but also comes in black and red. On the back, we can see that it has 50mm drivers, and it goes up to 100. It goes up to 160 ohms, 105 plus 3 decibels, 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and for mic is omnidirectional, so you'll be able to hear it in many different positions. So now, without further ado, let's get into it and review this product. You got a little QR code there. So remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and please share this video to all your friends. And we're just going to get into the headset. Guess I just take it out and pop this open. So this is an aux jack to microphone and headphone converter, which some of the older PCs used to use. So I guess how you pronounce it? Phoinikas. I was it Phoinikas, because they thought of every possible situation you'd want to use a gaming headset for. So here's a quick overview of a manual. Plug it, file it to the side. Plug this, file it to the side. And here we've got the main thing itself. Let's just unwrap this real quick. Just gonna go raw. Scoop it off. And on the mic as well. Okay, say it with me. 3, 2, 1, raw. And it's got a very, very glossy black finish. I like that. It's really lightweight. Oh, the padding on these. Oh, let's do a quick try test. I feel a lot of noise isolation, a lot of personal noise isolation. This headset feels really comfortable, by the way. Okay, so 120-degree mic, omnidirectional. Overall, seems pretty solid. It's got a braided aux cable, which is really nice. And I believe this is how many meters? 2.1 meters. So you got a decent amount of length. So unwrap that. Okay. Another quick wrapper. Stay with me. Raw. So we've got our volume slider. We've got our mic controls, off and on. And here's our USB plug with cover. That's pretty neat. Aux with cover. And they're both connected to the same cable, so you have the convenience right at your fingertips. So I'm going to do a quick sound test, and I'll see how the 6.0 surround sound is. Get back to you guys in a sec. I've done a quick sound test. I must say these are very comfortable, especially with this nice memory foam earpads and a nice material on top of it. Especially for headband, really nice cushion. You don't really get this even at more expensive prices. So I've done a surround sound test, and I've tested it in gaming, and so far it's done quite well. Oh, it really does feel like 6.0 surround sound, and even compared to more expensive headsets such as the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2s, which are over £100, £200, we still sound pretty good for 6.0 surround sound. It's hard to tell the difference between these and the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2, which have 7.1. But overall, it has done pretty good. In music, like for bass, the bass is really good. Especially considering that it's 50mm drivers, so you should expect that. The mids are good and the highs are really nice too. There's nothing that drowns out, no distort. It's got a nice Kevlar lining inside the ear muffs, so you can tell that's gonna be really durable. The mic quality is quite good. People can hear me very clearly on calls, and on gaming and voice chat. So overall, it's done quite well. You can use it with your laptop or your PC, aux input or USB input, your choice. And thank you guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave a link to this in the description. And peace.
I'm a stylish guy.